Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Regine Rigor. I'm 32 years old. I live in San Francisco, Piñan, Laguna, Philippines. I have one son. Her name is Sian Limusinero, 12 years old. I have one sibling, 36 years old, and I'm the second. I am a high school graduate in St. Francis National High School, year 2009-2010. I have two experience. First, here in the Philippines, year 2016 to 2019. I have one employer, 4 members, 2 adults, and 2 kids. Her age is 3 and 15. My main duties is taking of the kids, ironing, working, marketing, car wash, and cleaning the house. My second work experience is in Saudi Arabia. I have one employer, 7 members, 2 adults, and 5 kids. Her age is 3, 7, 12, 14, 15, year 2019 to 2022. My main duties is cooking, ironing, car wash, and cleaning the house. If you hire me, I will do my best. Thank